Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I bought this Essence Glimmer Glow Lipstick, and hopefully you can see those sparkles. Like, my camera's like, what are you doing, you nut job? Do you see that? So we're gonna put this on. I kind of like swiped it on my hand and it started changing colors. So I think it's one of those like pH. Okay, it says color changing. So let's just put this on to start out. See how it's changing already? It's crazy. It smells really good. It smells like fruit punch. And yeah. So I just wanted something simple. It's like, I know you guys, you've heard the song and dance from me. It's hot. So yeah, I figured what a perfect time to use the Beauty Bay Fiery palette, because it is fiery and hot AF outside. So we're just gonna do a fiery look to match the vibes of the heat outside. And yeah, let's get started with it. So last night, just a little story time, I love photography. We're gonna start with the shade Pumpkin right here, and we're just gonna do the same look on both eyes because it's pretty hot. So I just kind of want to do something and get it done. But my husband and I went out to see some sunflower fields. I took some photos. I love photography. I love nature. It was hot, but not as bad as it has been. So we were probably out for like an hour and a half probably. And so I got some really cool photos. And then we are driving home and I'm like, I'm driving and we're on the interstate, and then I see this like Ferris wheel lighting up and I'm like, what is that? So we go check it out and it's like a little carnival. So we started our night in a sunflower field and then ended up at a carnival, which was actually a lot of fun. I mean, we watched a band, and we just kind of like walked around, and it was just nice because by then it had cooled off a little bit, which I haven't felt like coolness outside, and it wasn't really cool. It just wasn't that smoldering, like you're melting heat, but it was just nice to get out and to just kind of get some fresh air and just enjoy some time just enjoying life, because like I do not do that enough, and that's one of the things I'm really trying to do, because I only have like, after everything, oh sorry, I've got like something going on in my throat, after all the things that need to be done, I have maybe like a day, maybe a day and a half, if that, per week to enjoy my life, because the rest of it like is work and just doing chores, helping my mom, doing all the things. So I'm really trying to maximize that small, teeny tiny little amount that I have to the fullest, so I can kind of enjoy life again, because I miss that. The last few years have been rough, so it was good to kind of get out. Now I'm going with the shade Spice, which is the shade right here. But yeah, like where you guys live, do they just have like random carnivals? I mean, I didn't really realize that we had that many, but apparently this is like a yearly thing. So like maybe, but it sucks because then again, it's in the summer and it's really, really hot. But you know, maybe it's something like my husband and I can start doing, or I'm definitely kind of trying to look and see like what fall things are going to be coming up, because I love fall, but by the time fall gets here, I'm usually worn out from the stuff that has happened in life, just like the whole year proceeding, and I usually don't really get out and get to do much. So I'm just working on trying to maximize enjoying life as much as I possibly can, because life is so short, and when you have such a small amount of time to actually do things, it's even shorter. right, so loving this so far. I'm gonna do all the fall looks before fall even gets here, but this is a fiery look, so it's summer, you know? Now I'm going to take, and one of the shades did get busted, unfortunately, in this palette on its way to me. It was the shade Wine. It looks a little rough. I just did my best to pour some alcohol in there and try and pat it together the best that I could. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the shade Lipstick. Because, like, in looking at this, this is, like, the only true red in the palette, which you think there'd be a couple more, but the other ones more, are either, they are more pink, maroony, purplish, or oranges, or just browns, which is fine. I mean, it's a pretty palette, but I would think you would have more true fiery shades, but that's okay. Gonna go in, we're gonna make this work. This is gonna end up with a really cool fiery look. Like, I love orange red looks, so that's what this is going to be. It's gonna be my version of a fiery look. Now we're going to take some glitter glue. Just the NYX glitter primer. It's what I use every day. I'm a creature of habit. I'm just going to put this on the inner portion of the eye. I think we're going to go into the shade Tiger. Let me put this down so I can point to it. It's this shade right there. I think that'll be a good one. And we're just going to put that on the inner portion of the eye. Okay, that's... Okay, I'm going to put it down on the other eye, then we're going to go in with another shade, because it's not as goldish as I really wanted it to be. I just kind of want something that'll stand out a little bit more. So I'm just kind of going to put this down to kind of even out the vibes, and then we're going to go in with a different shade. It's pretty, it's just not what I was thinking, so... what do I want to do? You know what, let's try the shade Sun, and if that doesn't work, we'll go on with something else. I think this is going to be the right one. Oh yeah, that's perfect, that's perfect. And sometimes, like, in the lights, things look differently too, so it's just kind of hard to eyeball things until you really get them on the lid, and then you're like, that's not really what I wanted. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. Perfect, so much better. All right. I might put just a little bit more of that lipstick shade just to kind of blend it in a little more. But we're doing good, doing good. right, that's fun. Now for the lower lash line, let's start out with the shade Autumn, which is this shade right here. I still wanted the shade Wine. It's the shade that's busted, but hopefully, like, I did okay in putting it back together so that I can kind of tap into it and use it. And I just want to, like, smudge it out. All right. Now for a lower inner corner highlight, let's take the shade Latte, which is this shade right here. Alright, you guys, I am going to go do the mascara, clean up the lash line just a little bit. I kind of overshot my eyes a little bit. Do the bangs, and I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I want to add a little something something to the lips. This is the NYX Butter Gloss Bling in the shade Big Spender. All right, and then have to go in with one of these Mandy Makeup Lightworker highlights, because I love these. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with the shade Soulfire. I think that's the one we're gonna use today. Can you see that? Not that, that's, I don't know what I did there, but so pretty. These are just absolutely phenomenal. All right, so I'm gonna put this on because just need a little extra beautiful glowiness to this look. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful. I love this so much. Let's just put like a little bit on the nose. A little extra glowiness there. So pretty. Yep, okay. All right, I'm gonna put a little more setting spray down. And then we'll do a final look. All right. You guys can see the sparkle all over this. Who doesn't need a little more glitter in their lives, right? All right, you guys, so this is the final look with the Beauty Bay Fiery 2.0 palette. And the bangs did get trimmed, so hopefully you guys can see everything better. And then here's another look at this palette. Let me try and brush some more of the glitter off. All right, so here's just the packaging. And here is that really, really beautiful palette. This is going to be perfect for fall time. Or like now doing a fiery look that looks like a fall look, because I just love fall and I'm just missing it so much. So you guys, I think that's it. I did in my last video, the recently de-influenced Bella Beauté Bar palette video, I did mention that milestone number. I have hit it. So now we're on to the next one, you guys. We're just going to keep trucking forward. Just thank you so much for your love and support. Y'all blow me away. I mean, every single day. I'm so thankful. If you're watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share my content if there's someone you know that you think might enjoy my content. Leave a comment down below. Did you like the look? Are you a fan of the fall themed looks? Do you like the jewel tones, the more goldy tones, like the reds, all those things? Like, I feel like I look like a really pretty fall tree right now. My eyes do. I love it. That's what I live for. Every year I just look forward to fall, and then it lasts like 2 weeks and then we're like into winter. It doesn't even really cool down here, but I'm hoping that this is gonna be a good fall. I'm gonna be able to get out. I'm gonna be able to enjoy it, take lots and lots of photos. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love photography so much. So that's just where I'm at. Life is life. You know, I'm trying to maximize my little time to enjoy it as much as possible. I hope that y'all are just doing well. You're having just a good summer, staying as cool as possible, because I know it has been really, really hot. So you guys, thank you again just so much for everything. Remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are amazing, and just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.